Mabuhay, pool fans. This is EFREN Reyes, known as the Magician. I am your host today, and I will talk about my big match way back in 1994, where the finals of the US Open 9-ball championships happened. I match up against the #1 player in that time, named Nick Varner, or known as the Kentucky Colonel. He is the highest ranked player in the Pro Billiards Tour. But of course, I have to play good because my country, the Philippines, and the Filipino people are counting on me. This is really a good match, so let's go and let's see what happened.
It's also the toughest event to win. EFREN Reyes just finished second in the World Tournament, and he's always very hard to beat. And Nick Varner, he is the one to beat. He's the #1 player on the Pro Billiards Tour. Well, EFREN's the Magician. You know, he got some bad rolls. He didn't get any breaks to even try to win. There was no chance for him to win. And you're probably talking about the toughest player in the world today to beat. He's breaking the balls very good, and he's running out. He's going to be very hard to beat.
So this is a race to 9 game, and this is the final match of the 1994 US Open. At this point, Nick Varner won the lag and will be breaking first. 88 pro players joined, but now we are down to the final 2 players, America versus Philippines.
We're going to win this tournament. And Nick continues to break the balls. Great. Those two cue balls coming back with the one.
At this point, I do not feel so nervous, and I know I have a chance to win. Nick Varner decided to play a really good safety here and hook me behind the 6.
No, he loves this part of the year. He hardly ever misses the ball when he kicks at it. Misses hitting it.
Oh my goodness, what a shot.
There you go, he kicked the 1 ball in.
You can hear the oohs and the ahs, and this is a hard crowd to impress.
From the moment I stepped in, I already seen the angle to hit the 1 ball, and I was lucky to make the 1 ball in the side pocket.
Not even touching a rail. That was a great shot, great kick shot. Now he has a nice table.
You saw early in the graphics 8 international titles, but never a major title in the United States. You think, though, you said it's just, you believe coincidence?
I now have an open table at this point, but I still have to stay focused.
It's a great shot right there. Notice the cue ball, how it just comes off of pocket billiards, is enormous.
I am ranked #8 on the Pro Billiards Tour at this time, and my opponent is ranked #1. So I need to capitalize in every opportunity I get.
Sure is hard. Skipped the beat for a second. It looked like it might hit and not go in, but there it is. So the first chapter belongs to the gentleman from the Philippines. 1-0 Reyes.
That first rack lifted up my confidence a little bit, and it is now my turn to break.
Draw, and the cue ball just go in the center and stop. And he's made a ball, he's made the corner ball. Does he get a shot?
It is a good break for me, and I also landed pretty well on the 1 ball.
Awesome.
This is now rack 5, and I played really well. And I advanced 3 racks to 1 against Varner.
Watch the cue ball come off the rail, nice and easy. The cue ball right up straight into the 6 ball. You get a little closer to the 7 ball. Drawing it off the rail, bring it back out so he's closer. Table here.
At this time, I was 40 years old, and Nick Varner is about 46 years old.
We don't allow gambling.
His impersonation of Earl Strickland in the World Championships. He looks terrific. And now that lead, remember it's only a race to 9, starting to look.
If he keeps making a ball on the break and the 1 ball keeps going down by that.
We now move on to rack 6. I am leading 4 racks to 1, and I am looking here if I can pot the 1 ball in the corner pocket.
Or he
may be able to make the one straight in.
So the 3-ball disappeared on the break and didn't go.
He tried to throw it in again with that English and it didn't take. He was in the jam there. Here's a break for Nick Varner because try to hit the 2-ball with the cue ball. And he hits it, don't go in now. Okay, good. Now he wants a little.
I really tried to make the 1-ball
An angle.
there, but missed it badly.
Bringing the cue ball back.
I have now given a chance for Nick Varner to run the table.
This one with low left English again.
He's going to be very hard to beat.
At this moment, I was surprised Nick Varner missed an easy shot. So again, I need to capitalize on this opportunity.
Left English overthrew the ball. Now he's left there from a chance to go ahead. Low right hand English. Bring the cue ball back for the side pocket. He wants to be straight in. Go to the bottom rail and come back up in the middle table for the 7-ball. With right hand English, he spins it around, brings it right back in the middle table. Play the 8-ball in the same pocket. He has to get up.
By the way, pool fans, if you want to hear more of me,
He didn't want an angle.
please like this video and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Here and play the 9. He'll put the cue ball over here somewhere.
Tough shot.
Speed control is very important. 1, 2, 3 rails. And that's exactly about what he wanted to do.
He just worked himself into a 5-1 lead.
Play right there. So it all comes down to the break right here. If he makes a ball,
Here we go in rack 12. I am still leading 7 racks to 4, but my break did not work at this rack.
Hear them.
unfortunately, he hasn't left, and he's going to play a safety. He's going to put the 1-ball down table and the cue ball over behind the 2-ball. Did he hit it hard enough? Oh, he hit it great shot. That's a great shot, Dave.
And in here, Nick Varner got me in a very tough situation. The cue ball is deep behind the 2-ball, and the 1-ball is far down table. But because I have a background in 3-cushion billiards, I can really see the angle to hit the 1-ball. But still, I hope to get lucky here.
If the cue ball hits there, he should hit the 1-ball.
Got it.
Great shot.
Oh, goodness. And look at that.
Look at that shot.
There is no real great shot left for Varner. What a master.
Notice the shot. He got right where he wanted to. Caught the point. He hits the 1 very thin. He got kind of lucky here. He hits it real thin, and he brings the cue ball back behind.
I really have to measure that shot. I know I can hit the 1-ball, but I need to play safe after contact. So the speed of the shot is crucial. I was a bit lucky to have landed the cue ball on a tough spot for Varner.
Kick the 1 in.
Oh, great
Look at here. Look at this shot.
Folks, you're watching something special right here.
It's a great shot. He hits right-hand English on the cue ball, jumps the ball up in the air, comes off the rail with the English, hits the 1-ball almost 4.
But of course, Nick Varner is so good that he also did a counter defense.
Ball goes right behind the 9. That's what he's going to come to the bottom rail again and try to hit this with right-hand English. Got to watch he doesn't scratch. There's a scratch. That's what he
got
had to
the
be careful.
ball, but you said you warned him.
I tried to hit a 1-rail kick, but did not get lucky this time.
3 in a row in the battle of defense. Finally, it was Varner to win 1.
They're in nice positions, but the whole problem is that he shoots left-handed. Nick shoots lefty and righty. He shoots lefty very, very good.
Both Varner and I came from the winner's bracket.
Rail, I believe. He did.
Throughout the tournament, I won all my 6 matches and went straight to the finals.
Did he get there? Looks like he hit it. Looks like he hit it perfect. There it is.
This is a really big match for me because if I win this, it would be my very first big title in the USA and the first money prize of $15,000 would really help me and my family back home in the Philippines.
The 1994 edition worthy of being called the U.S. Open Championship.
At this point, the pressure is slightly building up to me because Nick Varner is slowly gaining back his momentum.
He left an ultimate. I'll tell you the truth for a second. I'm thinking about, give me a shot. I want to win. And Nick's made a great break here. Did he make a ball? He needs to make a ball. Did he make a ball? No.
Here we are in rack 14. Nick Varner is only one rack behind me.
And he
There
makes
it is.
the one.
But I was lucky because he did not pot any ball on the break.
Definitely fade a part of this game.
Play the balls without numbers on them.
To win a major tournament, obviously you have to be able to play great. So many, if ever.
By the way, Arsenic, I want to give a big shout out to all my fans watching this. Please comment below what part of the world you are watching from. Thank you very, very much for your support. I love you all.
No, he's hit a little front.
There it is. 8-6, EFREN Reyes. Playing on the break.
At this moment, I'm starting to get excited as I landed on the hill first.
Both balls perfect twice and didn't make a ball on the side. Keep the cue ball on the one ball and cue ball on the center table. Made a ball. And he's got a shot. Oh, this could be over right now. He's got a nice layout here. He's made a ball on the break.
Crowd senses. Reyes.
At this point, I broke really well, and the layout looks good from here. I already know I can win this, but I have to remain calm and composed.
Here he's coming off the bottom rail, back out, center for the three ball. It's a great shot.
What do you think is running through him right now? What kind of emotions is he feeling?
I think right now he knows he's going to win the U.S. Open, to tell you the truth. He's not thinking negative at all. He's very positive. All champions are positive thinkers. And he's just thinking now that I've won this tournament.
Pool fans, I would really appreciate if you like this video right now. Thank you very, very much.
To come out from the cue ball. Okay, now here he's going to play two rails with the cue ball. He's going to bring the cue ball up here somewhere. High left-hand English. Look out.
It kissed it, but came around.
Now he's got to watch the 9-ball. He doesn't touch the 9-ball. He's going to draw the cue ball back. Low English. There it is.
The jinx is over. EFREN Reyes, his first major title. It's the U.S. Open in 1994.
That's it, pool fans. I got lucky and finally won the U.S. Open title in 1994, my very first major win in the USA. I won $15,000, which is a significant amount in Philippine pesos, and will surely help me and my family. The honor I bring to the Philippines with this victory is the greatest reward. So I thank all my fans and supporters out there. Thank you for always watching my videos. I love you all. If you want more content like this, subscribe now. Goodbye. Lucky, lucky baby.
Congratulations and fine job. Were you thinking about that? Was that on your mind at the time?
Oo, nung nga tumitira si Nick Varner, akala ko hindi na naman ako titira dahil tuwing paglalaro ako sa panel, hindi ako makalusot para ba lagi ako natatalo ng ganyan.
Yeah, he said that gonna be happen again. That whenever his opponent came back and beat him, that's what he thinks when Nick Barron made that good kick safety shot.
Okay, well, it was on your mind, but anyway, you won the U.S. Open, and congratulations, and fine job. U.S. Open champion.
That's my laughing. Yeah.